everyone, it's Nad. Okay, welcome to part 6. Sorry it took a few days, but the weather was just horrible. And there's a big storm on the way on Monday, and it's Saturday now. So yeah. Sorry. Now, the Dune Wheat, part 6. There's a lot of barley at the back. I did not know there was that much. I remember in my intro video, I think part 1, I told you that there's barley, and now there actually is barley. Actually, this might be coming out the day I record it. I don't know. So it's the combine. It was packed up for about 2 days. I commented on one of my videos to say that the combine was still in one spot, but now, as you can clearly see, it's not in one spot now. Now I only have an hour to record about 5 things. Sorry, I just thought I heard a tractor coming up behind me. Right, at scale 1 to 1. It's like 2 rows away from me. Look at all the straw coming out. And there's the combine. I'm walking beside it. I'd say it's about, I don't know, like 10 kilometers an hour. I'm not running or anything. Hang on a sec, there's just a big tractor in the way. And there's the combine. I nearly hit stop playing there. There's all the straw coming out. Oh, he's empty. Oh, he's doing it on the run as well. Hang on, I just may run in front so I can get the combine blade. There we are. Okay, so apologies if the tractor is in the way, guys. I'll run in front, hang on, just give me a second. Okay, sorry for the bumpiness. I'm recording on a phone. Apologies, guys, for the quality if it goes bad. Now look at that, all that corn. That's wheat to make bread, probably.